Hello, welcome to my channel. We will be doing question number 10, chapter 13, vectors. This is a bit long question. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts and a little bit challenging. Okay, so what is it? A ship P sails from the point A, which has position vector 0, 0, with a speed of 52 km per hour in the direction of -5 and 12. Okay, so find the velocity vector of the ship. Okay, so first part, let me change the color. I mean, a bit color for this, like nice. Okay, so its speed is 52 kilometer per hour and in the direction of -5, 12. So first of all, I need to find a unit vector in the direction of the speed. Okay, and for that, what I will do, I will divide this vector -5 and 12 by its magnitude, and the magnitude is 5 squared plus 12 squared. Okay, so that came out to be -5 over 13 and 12 over 13. So this is a unit vector. Now, if you want to find the velocity vector, we know that the magnitude of velocity is 52. So I'll just multiply this thing with 52. So -5 over 13 and 12 over 13 times 52. So 52 times 4 is 26. So this is going to be -20 and 48 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is my velocity vector. Okay, let's go to part B. It says write down the position vector of P at a time t hours after leaving A. Okay, now the position vector of this with respect to the origin OP, this is going to be the initial position, which is 0, 0, plus this velocity with time t. Okay, remember distance is velocity times t. So this is the velocity. If I multiply with t, I will get the distance. So okay, so this is going to be -20t and 48t. Okay, write down the position vector. Okay, now at the same time that ship B sails from a ship Q sails from a point B, which is the position vector this and velocity vector this. Write down the position vector of Q. Okay, so this C part, we need to write on the position vector of the ship Q. So I want to write OQ, right? OQ. So its the position at 0 time was 12, 8, right? Plus, now its the velocity vector is given by this thing. So same philosophy, -20 and 45. This is the velocity. If I multiply with t, it will give me the position. So if I add it to the initial position, it will give me the position vector at time t. So this can be simplified as 12 minus 20t and 8 plus 45t. Okay, so this was part C. Now, what is part D? It says using your answers to B and C, find the displacement vector PQ. Okay, so we need to find the displacement vector PQ. So this is going to be OQ minus OP, right? Okay, now OQ is 12 minus 20t and 8 plus 45t minus OP. OP is minus 20t and 48t. So let's try to simplify them a little bit. It is 12 and minus 20 and plus. Oh my God, I made some mistake somewhere, I guess. Why is it 20? OQ. O, yes, this is 25. 25 and 45. Yes, so this is 25. Sorry about this. Okay, so 12 minus 25. Okay, so this is 12 minus 25 percent, and this is minus 5t. Okay, similarly, this is 8 and plus 45 and minus 48, so minus 3t. Okay, this is the position vector PQ. Okay, now and show that the distance PQ. Okay, this is part E. So I need to find out the distance PQ. We write it as PQ, or sometimes we write it as PQ vectors magnitude. So this is going to be 12 minus 5t square plus 8 minus 3t square and the square root of all of it. Make sense? Okay, so this can be simplified as 12 squared 144 minus 120t and plus 25t squared. And next is 64 minus 48t and plus 9t squared. Am I right? Okay. 25t squared plus 9t squared. This is going to be 34t squared. And then minus 120t and minus 140, minus 45t. So this is going to be minus 165t. Okay. 65. Oh, sorry, this is 48. I'm making mistakes again. After mistake, so this is 148. Okay. And finally, this is 64 and 144. So this is going to be 8 and to the root. Okay, so this is the distance between the two shapes as a function of time. Okay, and finally, part F, find the value of t when P and Q are first 2 kilometers apart. Okay, so this distance, which is given by 34t squared minus 168t and plus 208. This is equal to 2. So I need to solve this quadratic equation and find the value of t. So this is obvious that if I make square on both sides, it's going to be 34t squared minus 168t plus 208, and here I will have 4. It can become minus, so I will have 204 only. Okay, so this is 204. Okay, if I divide everything by 2, just to make this equation a little bit easier or simpler, it will be 17t squared minus 84t and plus 102 equals 0. Okay, and now I can use quadratic formula to solve this equation. So t equals minus b, so this is 84 plus minus another b squared, so it is 84 squared minus 4ac, so 4 times 17 times c 102. and divided by 2a in 34. Okay, so when I solve this thing, I got two answers, 2.15 and 2.79. Okay, they're both hours. So first time these two ships are 2 kilometers apart, it was 2.15 hours. So t equal 2.15 hours. This is the value we will take as our answer. Okay, I hope everything is clear. If you have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.